food is a lot of things. We're seeing how national consciousness emerges, right? And how a culture is imagined and reimagined through each of these dishes.
I've seen it in magazines, I saw it on TV, so I'm really excited to be here.
For a lot of them, this may be one of the very first times, very few times that they're going to be crossing the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. They usually don't go into the city, so we start there, right? And what I tell them is that that is the first bridge of many that we're going to be crossing, this semester.
I think that's important before we go there to have like general idea of what we're going to be going into.
I've never experienced Israeli cuisine before, so I'm excited to try a little bit of everything.
The coolest thing I did in college was take a Beatles class, but it's not like we got to go to a Beatles concert or anything. This is amazing. I'm like super jealous. What an amazing experience.
You have to have these multifaceted elements in an experience for it to be really life-changing or meaningful. And I feel very honored being able to bring opportunities that most of them I don't think could have otherwise. And that is the organizing principle of this.
We've all been chatting, getting to know each other, so that's been a bonus. It's a beautiful atmosphere and there's so many different culinary experiences there, so I think this will give us a good introduction to what we're looking forward to.